Hello, hello all, welcome back. So let's look into the today's lead code problem. The lead code problem named is maximum Manhattan distance after key changes. Okay. So the problem statement is that we are given in the problem statement we are given a string s, which is consisting four kind of characters: n, s, e, and w. Means n for north, south, east, and west. Okay. And n means we can move by 1 unit in the north direction. S means we can move in the south direction by 1 unit. Similarly, for east we can move in east direction by 1 unit, and west we can move in the west by 1 unit. Means consider there is a x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so the amount, if there is a n, the amount of x is increased, or south the amount of x is decreased, kind of. Okay, so what we have to do, let's say we initially we are on the horizon 0 0. Okay, now at most k changes, means we, to maximize the Manhattan distance, we can change maximum k characters, okay, in the string s, to get the maximum distance. Okay, and what will be the Manhattan distance? The absolute difference in between x xi and xj. Okay, what will be the xi minus xj, and the absolute difference in between yi and yj, the sum of both. Okay, that called will be Manhattan distance. Okay, so how can we jump on this solution, means for the problem, how can we jump? So if we say first the simple approach, what will be the simple approach? The recursion based. Okay, means while iterating over each characters. Let's say there is a string, uh, let's say n s w e kind of. Okay, so while iterating for each character, means for each index. Okay, at each index, at each index we have two choices. Okay, what is two choices? Either we can change. Okay, change, what change? Change character. Okay, either we can change, or either we can't. Okay, don't. Okay, don't change. Okay, we have two kind of choices. So in not change के case में, in which whatever the thing, if s of I is equivalent to, if s of I means at each index, means from each index we have four possibilities. What all the four possibilities? Either we can go in north, either we can go in south, either we can go in west, or either we can go in east. Okay, these all are the four possibilities. So if the direction of the if this will be the current direction, s of I will be current. Okay, so let's say our current direction will be s of I. So from the current direction we'll move in the next four direction. So if the next direction, suppose if the next possibility from the current direction, we from current we able to go in four direction: north, south, east, and west. Okay, suppose if current direction is this one, next state, suppose the next state is this one. So if next is equivalent to s of I plus 1. Okay, if next is equivalent to s of I plus 1, then we do not need to change anything. Okay, else for the rest of the cases, for rest of the states we need to change. Okay, so for recursively we'll call for each state. Okay, means for from each point, let's say we are on this, currently we are on this point. Okay, now from this we, based on the string, okay, based on the string we able to move in this direction, north, in north only. But we want to move in this rest three direction also. Okay, rest three direction also. So we'll calculate the maximum Manhattan distance from all the four possible. choices. Okay, for this, what will the k value will be k, and for this the k value will be by 1. Okay, k by 1, because we made the change. So in this way we'll call the recursively call. Okay, and change the Manhattan distance. But is this recursive problem will solve this? No, because if the string is too much large, we need to use memoization, because kind of DP memoization. So for that we have to maintain, means whenever we'll go there, so at each change, so see, ca- there is a sum at this point, there will be some point x and y. Okay, now whenever I move to the next state, the my new coordinate will be ax comma dy. Okay, there is a change in my x, means from x to y it will be changed. So for memoization we have to memorize four four different things. What and all we have to memorize? DP of index, whatever the index it is, whatever the value of k is remaining, whatever the new value of x, whatever the new value of y. For this, whatever the result is equivalent to maximum distance. Okay, maximum distance for this state will update. So is it possible? Because index also having a range of 10 to the power 5. It is k also having a range of 10 to the power 5. This also having range of 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5. So it will become, total will be, means the memory dp size will become 10 to the power of 20. Is it possible? No. So uh, this recursion is not possible here. So what will be the intuition? So how can we solve the problem and how can we jump into this? So let's think in different way. Let's say currently we are on this state. Okay. Currently we are on this state, a origin of 0 comma 0. Now from this current state we are moving. Let's say we are moving any of the four direction, but based on the string. Okay. Let's say currently we are able to move in one direction in north, one direction again in north, one direction in the north, and one direction in the north. Let's say this is the initial state. So in the north, 1, 2, 3, and 4, this will be the maximum going in the north side. Similarly, whatever the maximum in the south, 1, 2, 3, and 4, let's say this will be the amount, maximum amount at every time, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's, so what we have to do by change, we have a one possibility that if we let's say what will be the at this point, what will be the Manhattan distance? Okay, what will be the Manhattan distance currently? So Manhattan distance, what is this Manhattan distance? Change in x, here xi minus में xj plus, oh sorry, we have to take mode. Okay, absolute value yi minus में yj, this one thing, mode of this. So the x will be 0 0, so this part will become 0 here. And for this, what will be the value? Y and yi and yj. So the difference will become what it will be? 4 minus 4 will equal to also 0. So the distance will become 0. Okay, now what we have to increase, we have we have to get the maximum Manhattan distance, means m- we have to calculate the Manhattan distance from this point. Okay, sorry, sorry, I was calculating the Manhattan distance in the wrong way. So we, from where we have to calculate the Manhattan distance? From origin. Okay, so what will be the origin value? Will be two state here, 0 comma 0 to second state will be x is 0 and our y will become 4, and the next state will be 0 comma 0 okay, or this south one, okay, but it will be 0 comma minus 4. This will be, so for this maximum distance will be 4, and for this one also maximum distance will be 4. Okay, now we have to maximize this. Let's say our k value, let's say our k value will be 2. Okay, means we able to change the maximum 2 characters. Okay, so now what we have to do, if we take the let's say we take the minimum value. Okay, minimum of, let's say we take the minimum of the value of north, minimum of north, the minimum of south, and the minimum value of k. Why taking the minimum of all these three? Because if we have to change only minimum amount. Okay, that's why we'll take in minimum way. Let's say the minimum of this, so this will be equivalent to 4 comma 4 comma 2. Okay, so the minimum will be 2. Let's say we'll remove 2, make 2 south equal to north. Okay, so thus currently the size will become, here this difference will become 2. Okay, okay, fine. So the state will become 0 comma 0 to 0 comma minus 2. This will be 1. Okay, now the second one will be 0 comma 0 to 0 comma 6. How 6? This 2 will become north, 5 and 6. This will be added here. Okay, so by making 2 south movement to north will increase the emanating distance. Okay, so what will be the solution for this approach? Means calculate the minimum difference. Minimum will be whatever the minimum. Okay, whatever the minimum of this north comma south comma k. Similarly for minimum of east comma west comma k. Okay, times means plus what we have to do, by what amount we have will increase, by what amount will increase. Hmm? Tell me, by what amount we have to increase? We increase the size by 2 here. So how can, how will calculate 2? Let's think. So what we have to do, we have to update this. So this is our equation. Minimum value, first we have to fetch the minimum amount of this, all of this. Okay, now we have to update the minimum amount from what, let's say the minimum as, one second, let me write it separately here. Let me write it separately. Okay, let's say our amount will be t1. Okay, t1 times, let's say t1 will be our minimum amount of n comma s comma k. Okay, this will be t1. Okay, by t1. Now what we have to do, just think, we are on the origin first. Initially we will go one direction by north first, then there is a one direction of south. Okay, so we are currently on here, on origin. Okay, now on the second amount by, means if we will go 4 amount in north and 4 amount by 4 amount in south, so what will be the resultant? 0 comma 0. Okay, but now what the change, we are going in 6 amount in north and only 2 amount in this, only 2 amount in the south. So what will be the difference? 6 minus 2 will be 4. So this will be the resultant. Previously 0 comma 0 tha, now our resultant will be 4. 6 minus 2. So how can we achieve? The minimum amount will be this t1. So we have to update. How can we update the maximum distance in this direction? Just taking a difference of this xi minus में xj, okay, plus में t1 times 2. Okay, why we multiply this t1 by 2? Because if we decrease this thing by 2, it will see, it will first decrease by amount 2 here and increase the solution by 2 here plus 2. Okay, it will be acted as a plus 2 because in this it will be treated as a in case of minus. Okay, so it will be both in plus 2. That's why we have to take it as a 2 times. Okay, similarly, let's say t2 will be minimum times of west, east, and the k minus t1. Okay, because we already achieved the t1 times. Okay, now the solution will be mod of y j minus में y I yi and plus t2 times 2. Okay, this will be the solution. So let's look into the coding side. How can we achieve the same? Okay, let's look it into the coding solution. So this is the maximum distance. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to calculate the two things, x and y. Okay, x will be treated as we are moving in on the x axis and y will be treated as we are moving on the y axis. Okay, so will based on the north or south will update our y component. Okay, y axis, y plus plus or y minus minus, and based on the east and west component means x axis component will update there, x plus plus x minus minus. Okay, and at each for each at each index we have to calculate our answer. So what will be the our resultant answer here? The absolute value of x. Okay, at till current point, whatever the absolute value of x, whatever the absolute value of y times whatever at till each point, whatever the means at each current point, whatever the maximum change we can make, k changes. So uh, it will increase our result by k times 2. Okay, so we have to simply add k times 2. Okay, or we have to take the minimum part. So at each index, what will be the maximum size? Either of the either of I plus 1. Okay, because at each index we can form a maximum size of I plus 1. Achieve the Manhattan distance of I plus 1 or the difference of this absolute sum of value of x plus absolute value of y times maximum distance achieved by changing k characters in it. Okay, and we have to update our answer. Okay, is it simple solution? Very simple here. Okay, so we'll wrap the call here. Thanks all. Bye.